In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks for a more efficient search of your financial transactions. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you with some of the essential steps to streamline your process. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Simply enter qbo.intuit.com in the address bar, and this will lead you directly to the QuickBooks online sign-in page. If you're already logged in, you'll arrive at your homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your financial information. If not, just enter your login credentials and follow any additional authentication steps to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Navigating efficiently will help you find what you need without any unnecessary clicks. Now, as part of optimizing your workflow, you'll want to locate the search icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. It resembles a magnifying glass, and clicking on it will open up a search bar and a drop-down menu. This search function can save you a lot of scrolling time by allowing you to access different areas across your QuickBooks account promptly. After opening the search feature, direct your attention to finding the Advanced Transaction Search option within this drop-down menu. This will be your key to performing a more detailed search across your financial transactions. Clicking on Advanced Transaction Search will present you with a variety of filtering options. Here, you're not just limited to basic keyword searches. Instead, you can narrow down your search results by applying filters such as transaction type, date range, and even specific account details. These additional filters are especially useful if you're working with a large number of transactions and need to isolate certain data quickly. As you explore these filters, consider which criteria are most applicable to the information you're seeking. Perhaps you're interested in transactions within a particular date range or invoices linked to a specific client. Utilizing these filters will help you retrieve precise results, making it easier to review and manage your financial workflows. This approach not only simplifies your search process, but can also significantly reduce the time spent locating specific transactions in the future. As you become more comfortable with these features, you'll find that they enhance your ability to manage and evaluate your financial data more effectively. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now better equipped to navigate QuickBooks and conduct advanced searches with ease. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.